All right, guys, we have one more box to open, and I think I have my handy pocket knife that Jim gave me. Let's go ahead and open this last one up. Sorry about the jiggling wiggling. It is Sunday, October 29th. I think I need to sharpen my knife. They're either using stronger packing material and tape, or my knife is getting dull. I think I was just on the wrong side. But I could probably sharpen this. This is getting a little dull. All right. What do we have today? A blank piece of paper. All right. Box inside a box. We have more. You can never have enough of these. Chainsaw wrenches, scrunches, different sizes and lengths. I like these because I can put them in my boot. And they're really inexpensive if you buy them in a pack. And then I bought some hydraulic female and male quick connects. Those are inexpensive too, off Amazon. So I usually have one of these sitting around in like each truck, and then one in the shop, so that way when they start leaking you can hurry up and just repair them, so you don't have to wait around. And we have one more package. What is this? Oh, little lights. I bought these little tiny LED lights because a good friend needed some, and these are really nice because they don't put out a bunch of light and don't take out a bunch of. It's more like if you just want to see you have a really dark area and you just want a vague light. I put these in my shop, and you can see pretty decent with them. I mean, they're not like super bright, but they actually work to bright up an area. It's pitch black. You can actually see, and it's not going to blind you, but it's, you know, like if you have a camera, you can actually see what's going on. So I'll leave a link in those description as well. So, all right, guys, that's all I have. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.